Silver has proven to be a valuable investment for centuries, but today it's capturing attention like never before. In this video, we'll explore why silver might be your best investment option, the difference between coins and bars, and strategies to build a powerful silver portfolio. From beginners to experienced stackers, everyone can benefit from understanding the potential of silver.
So what's nice about these, and one of the selling points, is that it's a coin. It's not just a bar because it's got the actual denomination, the 10 pounds. So while this is, a 250 gram bar of silver, and while this is like a 10 ounce bar, it actually happens to be a coin. Out of all of these, because you've got your Eagles, you've got 50 ounce bars, your 10 ounce bars, 250 gram bars, which, here in the States, it kind of throws people off.
Yeah, it's an odd denomination.
Which is the best for a stacker? Like if somebody just has like a regular budget, they can't necessarily do volume like some of the big boys over here. What do you say?
So any of these are like pretty much generic 10 ounce bars. This stuff you get cheap. I'm about to put these on my website for $1.25 over spot.
Okay.
That's cheap stuff.
Yes,
Don't get me wrong. This stuff, a little bit of a higher premium.
Yeah.
But a lot of this stuff, the secondary market stuff might not even hit the site.
Okay.
That might just get sold wholesale. A lot of it's open. I don't like sending people tarnished stuff and secondary market stuff.
Yeah.
I'll give you these two products right here. This must have been purchased from APMEX. This is brand new, you can tell. And then this one was purchased even on the APMEX order. It says secondary market. You can tell this bar is beat up a little bit. I'd ask a little bit more for that one.
I got you. Would you be able to get that little bit more?
I hope. At $1 over, less than $1, I'll keep it.
Isn't that crazy though? That's a 50 ounce bar, and you're essentially, again, and what people don't necessarily realize is that in the precious metals business.
Starting off, let's look at the fundamental debate: coins versus bars. Coins offer more flexibility, liquidity, and often have collectible value that can increase over time, making them an attractive option for many investors. Bars, on the other hand, are typically better for those looking to store large amounts of wealth in silver. This clip sheds light on why coins could be the better choice for building a versatile silver portfolio.
I bought it at $23.05, right? The next day it went up 15, 20, 30 cents, and I said, man, I'm going to sit on this, hoping that, 500 ounces, if it goes up $1, it's an extra $500 I can make on this.
Yeah.
The next day it dropped.
Oh, no.
Back down to
Not
almost,
again.
I think I locked in at 23.15, 23.17.
And you got it at what, 23?
23.05.
So
right?
you still made your 10 cents.
So listen, no, the story's not over yet.
Oh.
The next day it went up 35 cents.
Oh, God.
So that's the game you play in metals sometimes. It's I think we talked about it last time. Silver's volatile.
Yeah.
And that's a perfect example. The guy I locked it in with, he said, Andrew, why didn't you just lock it in when you bought it? And that's what you should do, lock in your profits and
you
take
like
it.
to
But
roll the dice a little
I roll the dice
bit.
a little bit, and sometimes it works in my favor, sometimes it doesn't.
You said usually, you said a lot of times.
It's a little, it's definitely nerve-wracking.
Oh, man. I mean, listen.
You feel this too. This is heavy, man. The guy that brought this in was an older gentleman. He had a rough time bringing this into my office.
I'm sure. See, you like to roll the dice on the silver. And you said you hedge on the gold.
So I took all this in yesterday, right? This I locked in just because I didn't want the premium to change on it.
Right.
This I locked in. This stuff's gonna get divided amongst what I want on my website.
Sure.
But this is pretty much spoken for already. I try not to leave too much exposure going into the weekend.
I mean, it's smart because then on Sunday, right, the market opens and then could drop, and you're sitting at home and you can't really do much about it.
And don't get me wrong, we always talk about it dropping and losing money. It also works the other way too.
Yeah.
There's been tons of times where I do take that risk and it pays off.
Right.
It goes up.
Right.
Silver's price can be highly volatile, but this also opens up opportunities for smart investors. In this clip, we explore the ups and downs of the silver market and discuss why these price swings can be beneficial. Silver tends to react strongly to economic changes, and this volatility means there's potential to buy low and sell high. But for those looking to hold silver long-term as a hedge against inflation and currency devaluation, it can still be an incredibly rewarding investment. Partnering with a reliable company like Augusta Precious Metals can help you navigate this volatility with confidence.
So this is a lot of silver I took in yesterday. There's tons of stuff here. This is, start off with this. This is flatware. It's about 500 ounces here.
Okay.
Of just forks, knives, spoons,
Uh-huh.
trays, a little bit of everything. That gets melted. That's something else. There's some 90% silver, 50-ounce bars, 10-ounce bars, American Silver Eagles. Pick this up, the monster box of Canadian Maple Leafs, 100-ounce Johnson Matthey bar. Just tons of stuff, tons of beautiful stuff for the website,
Now, you got this stuff, like a customer brought it in?
No, this is bought from a dealer.
You bought it from a dealer?
Yeah, absolutely.
And did you just go onto their website and just bought it from
them?
No,
so they schedule appointments with me.
Okay.
They call and they say, I'm going to be there at 1 o'clock on Friday. Or, they schedule. Everybody's by appointment. A lot of this stuff's locked in beforehand, too.
Okay.
So
they lock it in with you, say, what's your price on this? You're
right.
Like, I could do X amount over spot.
Right.
And then they lock it in. They say, okay, I'll bring you the 3,000 ounces. They bring it in, you account for it all, pay them out, and then you go about your way.
Yep. Some of this stuff I'll keep.
Okay.
A lot of the newer stuff goes on the website.
Okay, so that's just like to fill in some of the back stock on your site.
On the site, and I get it a little bit cheaper than I could buy at wholesale, so it's a good deal for me.
Yeah.
This other stuff's a little bit tricky.
Silver trading is a niche yet powerful way to diversify your investments. In this clip, you'll get an insider's look at how silver is traded globally and why it's an asset that continues to attract serious investors. Understanding the silver trading market can open up new investment avenues, and for those who want to enter this world, buying from a trusted source like Augusta Precious Metals can help you access silver products that suit various strategies, whether you're in it for the long haul or seeking short-term gains.
So you're thinking that the 10 ounces are the best, essentially, or the 100 ounces, like in terms of like just your regular, like a stacker coming in.
Bang for your buck. I would recommend at $1 over 10-ounce bars it's a joke.
Are these all Silver Eagles in here?
All Silver Eagles.
And so are these spoken for too, or are you putting those on the site?
I think I'm putting them on the site.
No.
They're all sealed in Atmex bags.
Are you gonna rip them out of there and just stick them in the tube?
No. They sell them just like this.
Okay.
See, Atmex has them. They sell them as BU.
Yeah.
These are all 2023 too.
Yeah. They but just leaving them in here, they also get dinged up and what have you. But I've also had, when you leave stuff in the coin flips like this, they tarnish.
Yeah, they get milk
something
spots.
with the plastic tarnishes them. But this is cool. And then are you going to put all the constitutional on this site?
Nah, this stuff gets sold wholesale too.
Okay.
This is one of them products. The premiums change on them constantly. They were as high as $8 over, $10 over months back.
Yes.
Now I think I'm at $1 and change.
So the premiums have shrunk considerably.
Yeah.
I remember the constitutional silver was one of the cheapest ways to stack silver.
You used to trade it at spot.
And then it ended up becoming really expensive, and now you're seeing everything come back down.
And particularly halves. Halves have a higher premium than the quarters and dimes.
How about, here's the other thing that's I find strange, is that people don't really categorize peace dollars and Morgan dollars as junk silver, even though they're the same 90%.
They're in a different category.
Finally, we turn to silver stacking, a popular strategy for investors who want to accumulate as much silver as possible over time. This clip breaks down the best investments for stackers, from smaller coins to larger bars and everything in between. Stacking can be a powerful way to build wealth over time, providing a tangible asset that can be passed down through generations. Augusta Precious Metals offers a range of options ideal for both novice and seasoned stackers, helping you build a valuable silver portfolio that grows with you. Silver offers an incredible range of benefits as an investment, from affordability and versatility to its role as a hedge against inflation. And with companies like Augusta Precious Metals, building a secure and profitable silver portfolio has never been easier. As you consider your next steps, remember that silver isn't just an investment. It's a strategy for financial security. If you want to know more about investing in silver through Augusta Precious Metals, click the link below. Don't forget to check our other videos about investing in gold and gold IRA. like, share, and subscribe for more content like these.